Hey guys, I'm in three contracts right now off the ES. As you can see, there's a lot of volatility. The price is kind of moving up and down pretty crazy right now. Um, Overall context is we're trying to go short. Um, we've seen a lot of negative momentum and the internals. Everything's kind of moving to the downside. As you can see, the tick mostly is negative, and the advanced decline line and everything else has been kind of been pushing down for quite some time. Over here, you see how it's kind of just laddering down, making lower lows, lower highs, and the same thing has been happening on the price as well. So um, what you do is wait for the price to kind of break out of these resistance levels, come up, and you see these high ticks right here. You basically try to short these levels here, and another one attempt was right there, right there with a very small stop, and you look to profit all the way to the other side. So um, pretty huge moves, 1900 level down to the 1880 initial support for target. So and you can see that on my NinjaTrade chart here as well at 1800 right here, where initially you saw a big spike in buying pre-market. So we'll look to get out right there, and then at that point we'll look to see what the market's going to do. Is it going to push down even further, or is that just an initial stop, and then or is a market going to bounce right there, I guess, and then we'll see what happens. So it's just one trade, just three contracts. As you can see, what I meant by volatility, market moves quite a lot, very fast, and once it starts moving, it can really go in that direction. And right now the direction's to the downside. So looking to still hold out until the 1880 initial support. You can see extreme tick readings to the downside. Most of the tick readings have been below zero compared to when it was above zero, and these were nice pops to enter the market at. And we'll look at exiting at the 1800, and we're actually almost right there. So looks like go ahead and exit out of two contracts at that point, and up already about a little over $1,000, 1100 at this point. As long as the tick just holds below here in this area, it's going to keep pushing down, and that's the idea. So see this thing hit our initial target. Liquidating pretty hard. So $1,300 right there. $1,400. And come on.
Target filled.
Alright, filled right there. Have one contract remaining. $450 right there. We'll see what happens right here. Probably gonna see an initial little response. So go ahead and close that out and see if we got another entry possibility as it kind of bounces off from here and reacts. So as long as the market internals are still showing negative a negative decline, we could be able to short again up in these levels, or maybe all the way back up here in the middle, unless it just breaks down. But once it breaks down, there is a possibility that this thing liquidates much further. So So we'll see what happens at this point. So basically the trade we had was a breakdown of this area right here, which was support pre-market, and you can see that it kind of came up, bounced. So that was initial support. The idea, we crossed below it and we just watched the market kind of build its internals, and as you can see, it finally dropped down a real heavy down red bar, and we were looking to short the market again, and we were looking at an entry. So we came back up in this area and ended up shorting right here at the 1900s, and we got, we try to enter with a minimum stop of like at least 3 to 4 points at the most, because of the volatility of the market right now. Could have got stopped out there, came down almost halfway down, and then we came back up one more time, and as you can see, there was a divergence. So this was a better entry for you, because you see that you made a lower low even though the highs were almost near each other, and it was a much lower low on here, and you got the ticks kind of spiking up, and that could have been your entry right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. If there's another entry off of this trade, we can talk about it. But basically that was the trade idea this morning, from your highs all the way down here to your lows, and you guys saw the live trade in front of you. Actually, you know what, I'll keep this video as a single video, so I'll close that out, and if there's another setup, I'll make a separate video off of that. But that's the trade off the ES. Like I said, a lot of opportunities in the market. That was a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20 point move within the opening of the market. And if I go to a 5-minute chart, we're now at 11:30 East Coast. So from the 9:30 to 10:30, really within this hour and or hour and a half to hour, this thing moves 20 points. So that was a nice trade, guys. Try to make some more videos on the ES, just because there is a lot of opportunities here, as I also make videos for oil and for gold. So that's it. I'll close this video. Happy trading. Keep learning, keep trading, and if you got any questions, email me at nightlytrader@gmail.com or leave a comment. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.